Hey guys, welcome back to another what I wear in a week video. I know it has been a hot minute since I last filmed one of these, but with moving, doing all the DIY on our place and work, it's just been way too much to try and film one of these on top of that. In addition to that, we actually didn't have somewhere proper for the mirror to go and sit. We've sort of rearranged our living room over the weekend, and I think I'm really happy with where it is now. So excited because that means I can start filming these videos again. It is Monday today and it's actually a public holiday. It is Queen's birthday weekend, which is kind of nice because we spent all of Saturday painting our hallway, and I've just been unboxing things and tidying up our place. It's starting to feel a lot more like home now, which is really nice. Today I'm just continuing to potter around, so I'm just going to show you my outfit. It's very, very relaxing, casual. I'll start with accessories actually. So I am wearing my Mademoiselle editor hoops. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see these. So my hair had tucked into them. My Mademoiselle editor hoops. I love these. I just think they're such a great little classic everyday sort of staple. Then my watch is my Linear classic watch with the dark brown strap. Again, still a favorite. I can't believe that this hasn't scratched up at all actually the entire time that I've had it. Then for my outfit, I'm wearing this kind of oversized turtleneck sweater. This is from Assembly and it's just a wool sweater. I'll link it down below. I managed to get it on sale, which is quite good. This is sort of the style of sweater that I was talking about from Celine that I wanted to get the J. Crew sweater for. I actually think this one's a better alternative, to be honest. However, I think I saw a girl wearing this and hers looked pretty pilly, like it had bubbled up quite a lot, so I'm not really sure how well it's going to fare in the wash. Then the belt that I am wearing is a new belt, and this was really kindly gifted to me. It's from a brand called Sarah Van Oosteren. I think that's how you pronounce it. And she's an Australian designer, and it's just this gorgeous like dark brown leather. It's a nice thick belt with silver buckle, which I think is really nice, and it's a really good length in terms of wearing it on the hip or also a bit higher up on the waist. My trousers are the Everlane Cheeky Straight Leg Jean, and I know I have had questions saying they don't look very straight when I first got them on, but you can kind of see they do stretch out quite a little bit at the back of the thigh, so they're super comfortable. Then on my feet, actually these are a new addition. These got sent to me by the team at Everlane. These are the new slide buckle sandals. I've got them in, is it the taupe suede? They're pretty comfortable, actually. They're pretty comfortable. The only thing I don't love is how they highlight my bunion. I haven't gotten any blisters from them, but then I haven't worn these for kind of a hardcore walking mission, so I can't speak to that. Although on the topic of shoes, let's just quickly talk about these because I was taking some photos of them for a blog post. So these are from a brand called Frankie 4, and they invited me to this pop-up that they had in Sydney, and I'm actually planning on doing a whole blog post on these shoes because they are they're designed by a podiatrist, and they actually have these soles so that you can customize your fit essentially. So these ones here I think are if you've got a narrow foot, so you can kind of double it up, put that in the toe to make it a little bit more snug. Then they've also got these little half ones that you can put in, so you can actually pop this out. I'm not going to do it now, but you can pop that out and then you can just pop this one in if you've got a really wide foot. So I think it's such a clever concept, and yeah, I kind of wanted to talk about these shoes because I've had a few queries from you guys about shoes that look good but that are also really comfortable. So I thought because these are designed by a podiatrist, these might be a really great option if you have problem feet. So yeah, let's just kind of go back so you can see the full outfit today. Yeah, so nice kind of a neutral sort of a color palette. Morning guys, so it is Tuesday, back to the office today. Because it's quite cold, I woke up this morning and it was just freezing. I've gone for another really super snuggly, very easy outfit, wearing a pair of trousers and as you can see, a big oversized knit sweater. For my accessories, I'm really just wearing earrings today. So I've got the loop earrings from Mademoiselle. These are the earrings that I actually co-designed with them, and I still love them. I'm still so smitten with the design. I love the fact that there's all this movement here on the bottom hoop. I just think it's very pretty, very understated and elegant. And I've got the lights on, so everything's looking a little bit cool toned at the moment, but my sweater that I'm wearing is from Joseph. You guys will have seen me pick this up in my come online shopping video from the start of this year. I just adore this ribbed detail down the arms, and it's also down the back of the sweater. And it's a nice kind of snuggly roll neck, which is nice. My trousers are from Everlane. These are the work pant, and I've got them in the navy ankle style. And I don't know if you can see, like, they come up just a little bit above the ankle. I almost wouldn't mind them being a little bit more cropped, but I'm actually surprised how much I like these. I like them a lot more than I anticipated that I would. Then on my feet, I am wearing my Charlotte Olympia black kind of ladylike flats. Like these. I love the gold heel. Such a Charlotte Olympia signature, but I just think they really kind of elevate the look. For my bag, I've gone back to the Everlane Day Market tote. I wanted to start using this again just because I feel like I've been neglecting everything since I started using the Kuyana tote. Next week I'll probably use the linear one. And then I'm not wearing a coat today, but I am going to wear a scarf. So let me just grab it. It's not really cold enough for me to justify wearing both the coat and the sweater because I've also got a layer on underneath. So I've just thrown my Acne Studios Canada scarf over the top. I'll probably just wear this draped like this today. So yeah, that is my outfit for Tuesday. Hello guys, it is Wednesday today. I keep wanting to say Tuesday because it's the second day in the office for the week. I'm about to head off to work. I am dressed kind of in a more preppy outfit than I would usually go for today, but I really wanted to wear this super snuggly cardigan from Vince. So accessories wise, I am wearing my Reliquia earrings. You guys have probably heard enough about those. Now I do actually have a new jewelry piece, which is a necklace, and I'm quite excited about it, to be honest. I haven't really had a chance to wear it too much, but it is this really lovely little amulet style necklace from Reliquia. You guys may recall in a recent video I was saying that I wanted to get little necklaces like this, and I got some really great suggestions. I am looking at Missoma as well, just because they've got some really gorgeous pieces, but they're a little bit more on the pricey side. So I am sort of taking my time to decide because it is a little bit of an investment. But let's go on to the details for the outfit. So I told you guys it was very preppy today. So the shirt that I'm wearing is the white linen collarless shirt from Everlane. As mentioned, I really like this. It's kind of turned into one of my favorite pieces from the brand. It's a very boxy kind of a fit, which I quite like. The skirt that I'm wearing is an old skirt. This is from Willow, and it's just a nice kind of A-line leather skirt. The cardigan, as I mentioned, is from Vince, and I got this via the Real, and it was such an amazing steal. Look at the knitted detail. It's just really beautiful, really snuggly. The pockets feel like they're lined with cashmere, which is a really nice kind of touch. Then on my feet, I am wearing these Joe Mercer buckle boots with the low heel. These are pretty comfortable, actually. So that is kind of the... So there we go, that is kind of the full look today. Okay, so here's the full outfit with the bag. I forgot to mention before that I am wearing my Everlane Market tote again. This will probably be my bag of choice for the week. Hey guys, it is Thursday today. I'm working from home just as I had a Foxtel technician come earlier this morning to move the connection point for the Foxtel from the far wall to where we actually want the TV to be. And also we got a dishwasher delivered. So I'm doing a collaboration with LG in the coming weeks, and I'm pretty excited because it has been 3.5 years of me washing the dishes. I have been the dishwasher essentially, so I'm really excited about having an actual dishwasher in our home. It's kind of nice that we can install it because the place is ours. I've gone for a really super relaxed outfit. I do think that even when you're working from home, you should kind of make a little bit of an effort, so I have put on makeup. I am wearing these really pretty earrings. These are from Mademoiselle, and I got them via the Shopbop sale that autofocuses. They're pink and gold with these little dangly details. I really like them. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think they're really fun. Then my watch is from Linear, and this is just the classic, sitting a bit further up my arm, so please don't mind the marks. Then for the actual outfit, there we go. I am wearing this really oversized sweater from H&M. This has been one of my best buys from there, I have to say. It's really nice and snuggly. It's machine washable, can't go wrong. Then my belt is my Isabel Marant belt. This is just the black one of my faves. I wear it all the time. And then the jeans, these are from Stradivarius, I forget the name, but I got these in an ASOS haul that I did a little while ago, and these were sort of the only item that I kept because I forgot to rebuy the top. But they're just sort of like a mom style jean with some rips and stuff like that. I feel very Scandinavian today. And then on my feet, I am wearing the Everlane strappy sandals. So these are super comfortable, and they're kind of what I've been wearing a lot just around the house. As you can see, my bunion does stick out though, so not cute, and that does kind of roll over the edge of the sole. So something to keep in mind if you do have wide feet or you do have feet issues like I do. But yeah, no bag today because obviously working from home, I don't actually need it. So this is the full outfit. Very, very relaxed, very casual. I can understand why people who work from home wear jeans all the time, just because it is so easy, particularly when you're wearing something like this, which is really like comfortable and feels almost like pajamas. Morning guys, it is Friday today. I'm just about to head off to work. It's actually a pretty nice day today, so I don't need to wear a coat. Winning. But I've gone for an all black outfit. Don't mind Winston, he's currently scratching the chair in the background. So accessories wise, I'm wearing my Lily, is that how you pronounce it? Lily Sadoe earrings. So they are these huge banded hoop earrings with 3 different kinds of tortoise shell. So you've got the brown, the black and white, and then the pink speckle. Then my necklace is this gold coin necklace from Reliquia, which I think kind of jazzes up my plain top just a little bit. So the top that I'm wearing is just this really simple black merino from Glassons. I think I've had this for about 10 years now. It's super fitted. The skirt, I don't think it's available anymore, but this is from a brand called French, and it's just a really nice black and white polka dot maxi length skirt with a paper bag waist. And then on my feet, I am wearing my Everlane Editor Flat. These are in the black suede. I really like the pointed toe heel on these, and they're super comfortable. I've just added a few more pieces to my look. So I've got my faux leather jacket from MVN. This is just a biker style, really nice and easy to throw on. This scarf is a beautiful cashmere scarf in a charcoal color from an Australian label called Mia Frotino. It's really beautiful, super soft. And then my bag is my Linea tote bag. So that's the full outfit today. Hey guys, it's Saturday today. Luke and I have actually been out running some errands. We went and picked up our KitchenAid, which I'm really excited to use actually, a new vacuum cleaner. We also went out and picked out our new sofa for our living room, which I'm pretty excited about. But onto the outfit details. So earring wise, I'm wearing my little hoop earrings from Majuri. Love those. Then I've got on my little coin necklace from Reliquia. I'm wearing a pretty simple outfit. It's actually been quite warm in Sydney today. I'm wearing this really cute little polka dot dress from Jag. It's got this sweet little ruffle flounced hem, which I really like. The jacket is my faux leather jacket from MVN. I think this looks pretty convincing actually. My bag is my Chanel small boy bag with the chevron. I was going to do a review on this now that I've had it for almost a year, so let me know in the comments below if that's something you'd be interested in watching. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my Joe Mercer buckle boots. These are super comfortable even though they've got a little bit of a heel to them. So yeah, that is the full outfit today. Hey guys, so it is Sunday. I'm just about to head out to the grocery shop to go and pick up some fruit and veg. It's been a pretty quiet day. I've been kind of taking some photos to list a few more things on my TikTok, which I will link in the description box below if you want to go and see what I decided to part with, if there are still a few things available. Luke has been hooking up our dishwasher to the cold water, which has been a bit of an experience. Our kitchen is in a bit of a state right now, but I'm excited about having the dishwasher up and running. So that's going to be really good. I'll show you guys my my outfit. I'm not wearing any accessories today just because, like I said, I've just been hanging out at home, so hasn't really been any reason to put any on. But here, let me flip the camera around. So as I said, please mind the mess in the background, but I'm wearing a pair of dungarees today, which is new for me. I'll talk about them in a second, but let's just quickly talk about my sweater. So this sweater I have featured in a video before, in one of my new wardrobe editions videos, which I will link up here if you guys would like to check it out. But it's just from Urban Outfitters. It's a pointelle sweater. This one is acrylic, so it's not wool, but I wanted to try out the style before I actually considered sort of investing in something a little bit more. It is cropped, so you can see it peeking out this side there a little bit. Then the dungarees, which these are kind of the star of the outfit, I feel like. These are from Topshop, and I've been wanting a pair of nice denim dungarees for the longest time. And when I spotted these, I figured I might as well give them a go. I've got the regular height ones, and you can see they come up a little bit cropped on me, which is the perfect length. However, they are only just long enough through the body, so I've actually had to extend the strap all the way down, probably just right on me actually, but I love the fact that they taper in at the ankle. On my feet, I'm wearing my Everlane Day heels, which are just super comfy, and I feel like they kind of elevate this sort of very relaxed look. And then my bag is my Chanel mini chevron again. So hold on, there you go. I guess this is sort of how I would wear it to go down to the supermarket. Sorry about the change in lighting. So that's it for another what I wear in a week video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'd love to know which outfit was your favorite. Do let me know in the comments down below. I know I wore a lot of denim this week, which is a little bit unusual for me, but I think it's just a reflection of the kinds of silhouettes and styles that I have been reaching for a lot as of late. Anyway, I will see you guys next time with a brand new one. See you soon. Bye.